How to turn off age restrictions on X/Twitter. In this tutorial, I'll show you what you can check to remove the restriction if you're eligible. First, open X on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed in. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. Then go to Content You See and tap on Content Sensitive. Here you will not see on my device, but you can see on your device. Follow the steps as I am saying. Look for the option to display media that may contain sensitive content and turn it on. X says this setting controls whether potentially sensitive media can be displayed. If you don't see the option or the content is still restricted, check your date of birth. Go back to your profile settings and open your account or your profile information. Make sure your date of birth is entered correctly. X restricts adult content for users who are under 18 or who don't have a birth date associated with their profile. If X can't determine that you're over 18, you may be asked to complete an age check. Depending on your account and location, X may use signals such as your account information or ask you to complete facial age estimation or ID verification. Follow the verification instructions shown by X and wait for your age status to be updated. If X incorrectly determines that you're under 18, you can contact X support and challenge the age assurance decision. Keep in mind that you cannot legitimately disable age restrictions if you are under the required age. X requires users to be at least 13 to use the service, and adult content is restricted for users under 18. And that's it. These steps should help you remove age restrictions on X if your account is eligible to view age-restricted content. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful X, Twitter, and social media tutorials.